Good morning. We are off to catch a steam train on the Bellarine Peninsula for a fine dining experience. We have to first drive down to Drysdale where we will board the TRAiN. And we are joined by Julie and John and of course my partner who's celebrating his 65th birthday. Happy birthday, Peter.
Well, I'm the birthday boy for the day. Thank you, Jojo, Julie and John for this experience. I'm looking forward to it and we'll keep you posted during the day. Happy birthday, John. What does it feel like being a senior to me?
Feels, how can I say? I feel the same, but I look a bit older.
Same but different.
Same but different, yeah, something like that.
Looking forward to the day?
Oh, for sure I am.
Good. Let's get cracking.
Okay.
So, what do you give people for a gift these days? They're all over all the gifts and things like that, but an experience is the way to go. So come along with us and let's get to Drysdale. So we're standing on the Drysdale platform and we're ready to go. But before we actually go, we're going to be enjoying some welcome drinks. And then we'll be dining in the Q class today, which is an open dining experience. And but you could do, if you wanted to do first class, where you actually get your meals matched with wine, but we're not actually doing that today. We got the Q class, but we'll tell you more about the prices towards the end of the trip.
We're being teetotalers today, aren't we, Jojo?
No. We've still got a couple of drinks. We've got some champagne on arrival, and then we'll probably having a drink with our main course. And if we wish to purchase another drink, we can do that as well.
No.
Okay, so we're looking forward to this 5-course degustation lunch. See you on the train.
Bye.
Our ride for the day is on 3620 South African steam train locomotive, which was built in 1948. Our 5-course degustation begins with a spring basket of honey and walnut loaf, venison cabana, olives and smoked trout pate. The Bellarine Railway is a volunteer operational tourist railway operating on a 16-kilometre section from Drysdale to Queenscliff. The railway line was originally commissioned in 1878 to connect Geelong to Queenscliff and opened on the 21st of May 1879. It was used to transport military goods and people to the port and Fort Queenscliff. After World War II, the services became less frequent and it closed in 1976. We've just stopped off at Queenscliff station for a 10-minute break before we hear the toot of the train, and we're back on the train making our way back to Drysdale. 2 years later, the Preservation Society reopened a section of the line and reopened it in 1979. Bellarine Railway became Victoria's first tourist railway by volunteers. The line is 16 kilometres long. Today, its operation includes scenic train rides and its partnership, the TRAiN. Finally, we are back on the train for our main course, a slow-cooked roasted lamb shoulder with a white miso sweet potato, roast broccolini, horseradish and river mint juice. Queenscliff was once popular with day trippers until the end of the World War. It was the rise to a local bus service that led the decline in passenger traffic. With passengers plummeting, the services were cut in 1931. The station continued to handle goods until the line's closure. After finishing main course, we've just stopped at Suma Park Station. This wasn't an original station, it was put on sometime in the 90s, and we'll be jumping on board again, having our dessert before we finish up at Drysdale. Jumping back on the station, we now complete our degustation menu with dessert, a burnt white chocolate and macadamia brownie with ice cream and peppery praline. Coffee and tea are available at an extra cost. Finally, arriving at the end of the branch railway, the station opened in 1879. The station was constructed in 1881. Well, we've just returned. We're back at Drysdale. We've had a wonderful experience on this TRAiN dining experience, fine dining experience. That is, we just a quick letting you know that if you plan to do this, just the standard TRAiN experience is starts from $144 per person, or if you wish to do it first class, you're looking at about $199 per person. It is a great thing to give to someone for any occasion, whether it be a birthday or an anniversary.
So take the dollar amount out of it. It was just a very pleasurable experience, a lovely way to share. Well, we did it on the Sunday, of course, and it was just comfortable. It was lovely to have the white linen napkins and tablecloth and just that table service. It was a lovely degustation menu, and we did it on the TRAiN. So Jojo, what does the Q in the TRAiN stand for?
You tell us, Peter.
Well, I think because the carriages were actually brought down from Queensland, and it was part of Queensland Rail. There may be something associated with that.
Okay, there we go. Well, look, it's an exquisite experience not to be missed. So if you're thinking about it, don't think about it, do it. So that's all from us.
Or the Q could also be destination Queenscliff, so you can make your choice.
Well, that's all from us today. Look forward to seeing you on our next adventure, guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.